Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing back with our Matplotlib series. And today we're going to be learning about PercentFormatter. We're actually going to be making a Pareto chart. And that is basically a way to sort your information and really look at your largest whatever variable out of sequence, something that needs your attention. So all right, let's just go ahead and bring this in, and let's just look at it. So we have a data frame, and we have different types of parts, and these parts are what's failing, and this right here are the what total. So here's our big jump, but right now really this is still a little jumbled, so we need to look at one more little thing. We're going to gloss over the data frame stuff right here. We're going to touch on that later. Here we go. So 38% alone is this one item, but that's kind of good and all, but maybe that's not really telling a whole story. So let's bring this in. Let's bring this in one more time. So now let's graph this. We know how to. All right. So here we go. 38%. So we have 8 cogs fail in a week, and that's 38% of our problem. 38%. Wait a minute. Are these percents? So now we're going to learn. So inside matplotlib.ticker, there's a PercentFormatter, and this is how you use it. So we know how to make our twin x's. We have videos for that. But right here, this is the way that you can transform this into nice percents for you. And we'll do some more of the others. So, all right, you take your mirror, you want to do your y-axis on your twin, set major formatter, and just input the function. It is literally this simple, and it converts it into a percent for you. That is how awesome this is. So now you can see that 40% of your problem basically is this one item, and this is the beginnings of how powerful Matplotlib and all the other tools that we have. So real quick video today. Wanted to throw this out. Got a little bit out of sequence. Then we're going to jump back into 3D plots, and I think we're going to really work on some credit scores, because those really tell the story. And we're actually going to explain everything in this in a couple of videos for our data frame series. So a little bit of foreshadowing. But if anything that we need to go over more in depth, please drop a comment below. If you have that question, somebody else has that question too. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.